In today's video, I'll show you how to get Siri on your Android device using a simple and easy method. First, open the Google Play Store and tap on the search bar. Type Voice Access and open the app from the results. Now, tap Install and wait a few moments for the app to download and install. Once it's installed, go back to your home screen and open Settings. In the Settings menu, search for Voice Access and open the Voice Access settings. Next, tap Enable to turn it on. Now return to your home screen and swipe down from the top to open the notification bar. You'll see the Voice Access option. Tap it to start. Once Voice Access is active, you can start speaking commands just like Siri. For example, say, "Hi Siri, open YouTube." "Hi Siri, open Facebook." And that's it. That's how you can easily get a Siri-like assistant on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.